And hello, folks. We're already to Friday at the end of the week, and look at that cloud setting there on the Alexandria Tower cam from Texas Street, looking toward the west, where we have some kind of a broken line of storms. There's a little bit of a surface trough or a wind shift coming through western Louisiana right now, or western parishes, Beauregard, Vernon, and Sabine, and that is touching off some rain and thunderstorms there. But you thought it was over, but it's not. So Leesville, likewise, we're seeing that even closer to it. You can see the rain shaft, especially off to the right side of the camera lens there. And it's some heavy rain. These are thunderstorms. So most of the weekend's looking good. There's a chance of another little round of showers and thunderstorms overnight. And then I think the weekend's going to behave for you, although it's still going to be warmer than you deer hunters want. And then Thanksgiving week needed rain, but not on Thanksgiving Day. That's good. And it will be turning cooler, chill in the air by later next week. Here's that little line of showers and thunderstorms coming through from the west. You can see that there's some pretty good storm right here entering southwest Vernon Parish right there. And so let me do another hour of motion on that where you can see that coming through. I'm monitoring this for possible warning. That would probably be for Vernon or Beauregard parishes if it happened. So if that happens, then depending on what kind of warning it is, you can tune in to Nick's Facebook page, and there'll be a warning there, as well as my Facebook page. So we'll get the word out just in case. So again, this is with the wind shift, wind shifting to the west. Behind this line, ahead of it, we got a southerly direction. So that convergence lifts the atmosphere and creates rain and storms. In fact, here's that little boundary coming in. The main front is still to the north of this, and so this will come through first, and then when the front comes through early in the morning, late tonight, then we may see another little band of showers and thunderstorms there. Energy hanging out to the west, and so we'll be watching that for a weekend forecast as well. Futurecast in, there's that second batch of showers and some thunderstorms overnight and into the wee hours, Saturday by Saturday grocery shopping time. I think we're pretty good by then. And for the remainder of the day, Saturday, things are looking good for your entertainment Saturday evening. But for deer hunters, Saturday morning, way too warm, I think, for many deer hunters that I know. So Sunday morning, church time, mid-morning, no issues there as well. So Friday through 7 o'clock, about right now, we see warm and cool bubbles of air. This is going to track you through Thanksgiving week and give you an idea why things are going to change the way I expect them to. Warm bubble of air here. We have felt that for a long time. Cooler bubble off to the west. I pointed that out just a bit ago. So I put this into motion where you can see this system is on its way eastward by Monday afternoon. And what's going to happen is ahead of this, this will lift the atmosphere. It will create a surface cold front, and it will open up the Gulf of Mexico. The moisture will continue to flow in, and those ingredients will set the table for, I think, a widespread rainfall event with some thunderstorms there. So we haven't received a lot of rain so far this month. It's been quite dry. In fact, we have a state of drought across much of the area. But Monday, I don't know if it'll be a drought dinner, but it will help a bit. Now let's get past Monday, where we see this streak of energy going eastward through into the Great Lakes, and this trough digging to the east of us on Thanksgiving Day, Thanksgiving morning. And so what will happen there, we get on the northwest side of that, it will be cooler air. So there will be a chill in the air late next week for Thanksgiving Day and into Friday Shopping Madness Day. And then going into Saturday, well, we're back with a little bit of a warming trend, but the next system taking shape off to the west of us, so it looks like a big one there. Okay, so let's get into your 7-day numbers then. I got 30% for the AM hours there on Saturday, then going into a warm day, 80. A little bit cooler on Sunday, especially the morning low. You'll notice that, but it's a partly cloudy day, a nice day. Monday, scattered showers and thunderstorms during the day on Monday, and then by Monday evening, Monday night, and very early Tuesday, we'll see an 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms. I'm keeping 60% there through a good part of the day on Tuesday as that system slowly moves out. That second front will be moving through Notice the second front brings a dip in temperatures there for Wednesday. And then Wednesday's front, not much moisture for it to work with, only 20%, a partly cloudy day. And then going into Thanksgiving Day and Friday, you can see yet another drop in temperatures as we head toward later next week. Right now, the headline too is Thanksgiving now looking like a nice day. Remember earlier I tried to forecast that and messed it up, I guess. I had a little chance of rain Thursday, so we had to take that out. And shopping still looks good on Friday, just a crisp day to shop. Okay, let's go into the outlooks. All right, very quickly. This is for the end of November and starting December. It looks like a big change toward colder weather up north. We're kind of close to this above normal here. We're not far from, we're leaning above, but in between there's going to be a storm track right in through here. And what that's going to do is create a large area of above normal rainfall there across the country to end November and begin December. So the typical low is 42 and a high of 64, and we should be above that a little bit. But the rainfall, 1.2 inches, most rain gauges should catch more than that in week 2 beyond the 7-day here as we end November, getting into December. Okay, that's it for me. Nick Vickers will be with you in the morning, and I'll do this again during the PM hours. Take care. Have a super and